Samsung's screen flickering? Don't panic. In this video, we'll walk you through 12 proven methods to fix it, step by step. Let's get started right away.
Method 1. Force restart. This is the simplest fix and should always be your first step. Press and hold the power button, or the side key, for 10 to 15 seconds. When the power menu appears, tap Restart. Wait for the device to fully reboot, then check if the flickering has stopped. If the normal restart doesn't work, try a force restart by pressing power and volume down together for 10 to 15 seconds until the Samsung logo appears.
Method 2. Disable adaptive brightness. The auto brightness sensor can cause rapid brightness changes that look like flickering. Open the Settings app, then tap Display. Find adaptive brightness and toggle it off. Now manually adjust the brightness slider to a comfortable level, ideally above 50%. If the flickering only happens at low brightness, simply sliding the brightness up may solve the problem.
Method 3. Change the display refresh rate. Adaptive refresh rate switching between 120 Hz and 60 Hz can cause visible flicker, especially at low brightness. Go to Settings, then Display, then tap Motion Smoothness. Change from adaptive or high to standard, which locks the display at 60 Hz. Tap Apply. The screen will briefly go black, then return at 60 Hz. Test whether the flickering is resolved.
Method 4. Boot into safe mode to diagnose app conflicts. Press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. Then tap and hold the power off icon on screen. A safe mode prompt will appear. Tap safe mode and the device will restart with only system apps. If the flickering stops in safe mode, a third-party app is the cause. Uninstall recently installed apps one by one, starting with the most recent, and restart normally after each uninstall to test. If the flickering continues in safe mode, the issue is likely a system software or hardware problem. To exit safe mode, simply restart the device normally.
Method 5. Check for software updates. Outdated software can cause display bugs. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Software Update, then tap Download and Install. If an update is available, tap Download and wait for it to complete. Then tap Install Now. The device will restart automatically. After the restart, check if the flickering is resolved. Method 6. Clear the cache partition. This is especially useful after a major software update. First, turn off the device completely. Connect the phone to a PC via USB cable, which is required for newer Galaxy devices to enter recovery mode. Press and hold volume up and the power buttons simultaneously. When the Samsung logo appears, release all buttons. The Android recovery menu will appear. Use volume down to navigate to wipe cache partition, then press the power button to select. Highlight Yes and press Power to confirm. Wait for the process to complete, then select Reboot System Now. Important, this does not delete any personal data, only system cache files.
Method 7. Disable video enhancer. Samsung's AI video enhancement feature can interfere with display output. Open Settings, tap Advanced Features, find Video Enhancer, and toggle it off. Then test the display behavior to see if the flickering has stopped.
Method 8. Disable Eye Comfort Shield. The blue light filter can cause perceived flickering at certain brightness levels, especially at night. Open Settings, tap Display, find Eye Comfort Shield, and toggle it off. Alternatively, you can set it to a custom schedule if you want to keep using it during nighttime hours.
Method 9. Disable hardware overlays via developer options. This is a confirmed fix for some Samsung models with GPU rendering issues. First, enable developer options. Go to Settings, tap About Phone, then Software Information. Find build number and tap it 7 times rapidly. Enter your PIN if prompted. You'll see a message confirming developer mode is enabled. Now go back to the main settings screen, scroll to the bottom, and tap Developer Options. Scroll down to the Hardware Accelerated Rendering section. Find Disable HW Overlays and turn it on. This forces the GPU to handle all screen compositing. Test if the flickering stops. Note that this may slightly increase battery usage.
Method 10. Run Samsung members Diagnostics.
This helps determine whether the issue is hardware or software. Open the Samsung Members app, which is pre-installed on most Galaxy devices. Tap Support at the bottom right, then tap Diagnostics. Select the display test and follow the on-screen instructions. The app will test screen color accuracy, touch responsiveness, dead pixels, and display uniformity. Review the diagnostic results. If a hardware issue is detected, visit a Samsung service center.
Method 11. Factory Data Reset. This is the last resort software fix. Warning. This will erase all data on the device, so back up everything first. Open Settings, scroll down and tap General Management, then tap Reset. Tap Factory Data Reset. Scroll to the bottom and review what will be erased. Tap Reset, enter your PIN if prompted, then tap Delete All. The device will erase everything and restart. Set up the device without restoring apps immediately, and test if the flickering persists on a clean system. If the problem is resolved, restore your data gradually while monitoring the display.
Method 12, hardware repair. If the flickering persists after a factory reset, or if diagnostics confirm a hardware issue, professional repair is needed. Possible fixes include display panel replacement, display flex cable reseating, display controller IC repair, or battery connector repair. Visit an official Samsung service center. You can book an appointment through the Samsung Members app or the Samsung Support website.
Here's a quick diagnosis flowchart to guide you. First, check if the screen is physically damaged. If yes, go straight to hardware repair. If not, start with a force restart. If flickering continues, disable adaptive brightness, then change the refresh rate to 60 Hz. Next, try safe mode. If flickering stops there, uninstall recent apps. If it continues, check for software updates, clear the cache partition, disable video enhancer, and disable hardware overlays. Then, run Samsung Members Diagnostics. If a hardware issue is found, seek repair. Otherwise, try a factory data reset as the final software fix.
Now let's look at what causes Samsung screen flickering. About 80% of cases are software-related. Common software causes include adaptive brightness bugs, adaptive refresh rate conflicts, third-party app issues, software update bugs, system cache corruption, overheating, and the video enhancer feature. Hardware causes include physical screen damage, a loose display connector, display controller defects, GPU hardware overlay issues, and battery connector problems. Understanding the root cause helps you choose the right fix and avoid unnecessary repairs.
That wraps up all 12 methods for fixing Samsung screen flickering. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Remember to try the simpler fixes first before moving on to more advanced solutions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.